Hey guys, my name is James with MergeData.com, and today I'm going to be going over data extracts in Tableau with you guys and why you should be using them. So, data extracts, a way of thinking about them is that they're kind of like optimized snapshots of your data, and they have a whole bunch of advantages that we're about to go over. The first one being that they really enhance performance by storing data in a highly optimized format. So, it's almost like an Excel workbook versus a CSV file. And then on top of that, data extracts facilitate offline access and mobility, so it allows you to work on visualizations without a live internet connection, which is really cool. And then in terms of scalability, data extracts reduce the load on the primary data source and enhances Tableau scalability for all users, which is pretty awesome as well. And then on top of that, data extracts allow for custom aggregations and calculations. So it allows you to basically do more of your regular day-to-day analytics work, which again is super useful and makes it a really powerful analytical tool in general. And then lastly, data extracts offer enhanced visualization flexibility, allowing experimentation with various visualizations and dashboards without affecting the live data source itself. So to summarize, the data extract in Tableau is super pivotal for optimizing your performance and your flexibility with data analytics. That's all we have for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.